I paid $2,500 for this 2007 Honda Civic. Watch the video and I'll tell you why. Alright, why did I pay $2,500 for this 2007 Honda Civic? This thing has got some seriously faded paint. Why this may have not been the best buy. Maybe this Honda is not as reliable as I thought it was. But here's the real reason that I paid $2,500 for this Honda. 101,732 miles on it. Very low miles for an 07 Honda. And you know, the reputation of a Honda. It's a pretty good, reliable car. Although not perfect, but it is a very reliable car. I can fix the paint on it, touch it up, paint the areas that need painted, sell it, or I can just sell it as is. Haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but most likely I'll clean it up and sell it as is. Car has no check engine lights on, no issues of any kind that I've found so far. Just a real nice driving, running car. Drives like a go-kart. Alright, the interior in this car is really quite good. It's going to require some cleaning. Carl's girl had it. Her dad owned it. He was selling it. Alright, we'll take the Honda for a little spin here. First gear. The 5-speed manual, which I really like. Shifts nice. It runs smooth. Going up a pretty steep hill here at the park in Lincoln City, Oregon. The car just really runs out, drives good. I'm not a Honda fan, I'm more of a full-size truck person, but I can see why people drive these things. Nice and smooth all the way up through the gears. Now, if the paint, the clear coat, had not started peeling and falling off this car, I would say that this car is a very easily a $5,000 car. It's very good condition, doesn't have any real issues, does all the things it's supposed to do, and would make somebody a very good, reliable car for a lot of years. But you got to take into account that the peeling paint, a lot of people are not going to be interested in this car. But somebody that just needs a commuter car, this would be a great car for someone. Okay, now for the not so good part. It's been reported that the 2006 to 2009 Honda Civic, equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, suffers from a cracked engine block. The engine block cracks right below the cylinder head toward the front of the engine and causes a coolant leak to leak down the side of the block. Honda has taken care of any blocks that have cracked in these, but they only did it for 8 years, so this car is no longer under that warranty. How many of these blocks fail? It's been reported that about 3% of the blocks fail, so it's a very small amount of the Hondas that actually suffer from the cracked block. There are also several online videos that show how this can be repaired in 2 to 3 hours, so it is not a major situation. Because of that, I would say this Honda is still a great buy and should give someone a lot of years of service. Many of these Hondas that have the issue do not fail until upwards of 250,000 miles. So please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. Thank you.